Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Copilot to set reminders and calendar events. Copilot makes it easy to stay organized without opening multiple apps. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to create reminders, schedule events, and customize them with repeat settings, colors, and priority tags using natural language. Let's start with reminders. These are great for tasks that don't need a fixed time, like errands or quick to-dos. All you need to do is open Copilot from the taskbar and say something like, "Remind me to go shopping on Saturday." Copilot will confirm the details right away. If you realize later that you want to change something, you don't have to dig through menus. Just ask Copilot to update the reminder for you. Now, once you're comfortable with reminders, it's easy to move on to calendar events. These are for things that happen at a specific time, like meetings or birthdays. Again, open Copilot and simply say, "Set an event this Tuesday for Sarah's birthday party." Copilot will walk you through confirming the time, duration, location, and even invitees. Once you approve, the event is saved and synced across your devices. If you need to edit it later, you can do that either in your calendar app or by reopening it with Copilot. After you've got the basics down, you can make reminders and events more useful by customizing them. For example, you can assign colors or categories, so your schedule is easier to scan at a glance. If you have repeating tasks, just tell Copilot to repeat them daily, weekly, or monthly, and it will set up the pattern for you. And for reminders, you can add priority labels or even attach notes and links so you have all the context you need in one place. That's how you use Copilot to set reminders and calendar events. It's fast, simple, and everything stays synced across your devices. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.